Happy birthday, Grandpa.
What else do you say?
Ma,
Finley,
Ma, open present.
Yeah, presents. What do you think Grandpa's eating on his birthday?
Cake.
Cake? What sort of cake?
Birthday cake.
Oh. And what do you have on a birthday cake?
Birthday cake.
What do you have on a cake?
Or
Candles.
candle.
What do you do to candles? Can you blow them out for Grandpa? Show Grandpa. It's nice. Finley, say happy birthday, Grandpa!
Happy birthday, Grandpa.
I love you, Grandpa!
I love you.
Where are you, Grandpa?
Daddy, open it.
Oh. What are you doing?
Open Mommy.
What are you doing?
Open it, Mommy.
Finley? Finley boy? Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Grandpa. Finley, where's Harley?
Happy
Does Harley say happy birthday? Hi, Harley. Yeah. Does that count? Happy birthday. No, don't. You a big boy? That's it.
That's it, blow out the
Blow
candles.
out the- yeah. Finley, one more. You say bye-bye, Grandpa.
Bye-bye, Grandpa.
I miss you.
I miss you.
Happy birthday, Grandpa. Finley. Finley boy.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Okay, say bye-bye. Blow him a kiss. Good boy.